Alright, so picture this. I, a YouTuber known for my love of challenges, have decided to push myself to the limit by embarking on a daring quest, living without spending a single penny for an entire week. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what I'm all about, pushing boundaries and testing my limits. Now, let's break it down. The rules are simple. No spending money whatsoever. That means no shopping, no dining out, and definitely no online splurges. It's all about survival mode, baby. I've got to get creative with my resources and find innovative ways to make it through the week unscathed. As I navigate this challenge, I quickly realize the gravity of the situation. Simple tasks like grabbing a coffee or ordering takeout are suddenly off limits. It's a wake-up call to the excess in our daily lives and a reminder of the importance of resourcefulness. But hey, I'm not one to back down from a challenge. I dive headfirst into exploring survival strategies, from foraging for food in my own backyard to bartering skills for goods and services. It's a true test of my wits and adaptability, and I'm determined to come out on top. Now, here comes the twist, a spontaneous dinner invitation from a friend. Talk about a curveball. I'm faced with a moral dilemma. Do I break the rules for a free meal or stick to my principles? You'll have to watch to find out how I handle this unexpected turn of events. As the week draws to a close, I take a moment to reflect on the experience. Living without spending money has taught me valuable lessons about gratitude, resourcefulness, and the power of community. It's been a humbling journey, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to share it with all of you. So, here's my call to action. If you've enjoyed following my challenge, hit that subscribe button and join me on future adventures. Together, we can push boundaries, challenge ourselves, and inspire others to think outside the box. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep pushing those limits.